Abuja legal wife for Abedin Komo Efa Maami Akosua Serwaa court case Abusia wodi ntwo no eho na ensama omoka na ne se mera judge no request here for certificate free omo hono no empo judge ne kura mpa adwene amaso na mum lawyer kusi ene koka se obenya original marriage certificate no de abele court no eno ena ma judge no adwene court so ka se ne on famra omo de ba ya afei judge ne kokko so a ade marriage certificate ya wo se German stamp ni si so no na okoko share ya abusia na lands commission stamp na esi so eno ana kokko yes no asese bi omo de Ghana mamamla no di aguro bi kire se untimi konform marriage certificate ma na at the end of the day you go stamp na was na lands commission asase won sensam de ene aware enkrata na nhyehyeye etwa mu chaka sei eno na abusia aba beto dwane omo to ne srani abasa wo sansem we nwa enya asem ketewa abusia platform ba akoso odobro ni team and afenso team legal wife for and ehia won radio legal wife for ankasa and ebi wona no aka ewo yes our platform so me person obeka me ho akwaji nsem no nchirimu Ghana de we dane se ade echew na wante asem fofora na chese sebi wuwu ye kurampa hye no so sa haguso YouTube for TV plus so
this question in what contest ni say odobo ni maami akọ obi ko gina mu odobo ni ma
obi anko gina obi obe wale
obi anko gina mu
obi obe wale
ni ba ko gina mu yiti message no won but ni mo gina mu ji awale
yes anti gina mu ji awale wa mako odobo ni papa na
masi ni gina mu ji awale no masiunu
na then because they say ne papa Nigeria where ne papa because on Nigeria the marriage the court
mas you ask a question what was that question in contest ejina mu ma mesewa into odobo ni ma me ankwa che so bi gina mu simple na na busa question
ya
ne say odeno ho udini ntie bia minim so ye akania na ye asantini a ba satisa asante amamre mu no wukunubu na wa meye kuna ensunso aso be ne ba wo oyire ne so
obeye
ti se bia wukuna wu ana wo yire wu na wanye kuna asante ne aka na amamre mu no ensunso aso bi wo ho ma wo
me educate you kakra wa
we ba try
woni bi nje ye kuna na ye ho right ye perform ma oyire woni mdi ntia yede ti wonni be ma ntem yede pamo sasabi be ma no na tena several times sasabi a wonni be ma na build enti wo se ye yesa enti ma mencho how ye start no one yedi kan ma woti asese obeyi kuna wodi tu so obeyi kuna de wa fasa process ni sebi unkun kura wo sra kwa yesesa no unkun awonna ye do for certain process mo atel say 1 year beba ansa na wade ho enti kuna no enye obi na hye wo say yewo ye busa wo ma wote asese wo be ye kuna no wo be fa the process ni ma ya ye de ama en ma men kasa mu we emre mu bi en na me ni wo kasa kuna no the widowhood right na kasa na aye the main process ye form no ye nye chai dware miensa ya de credit
odeno one you can never tell we mo be able to mu na woni the warrior the question is why
wama kasa quiet we simple question obusa
why do you have repercussions in so
there's a repercussions to that effect
be anyway someone be ba won chen ndo ama on chen so be no
odeno ho am you say unyi bidie ni o kwa asoro agrada until the ento aso
ade ba mi saka kra
me pacho me bo enti nana o question na obisa ye no
beto me ma me so ma me
nana o question na obisa ye no
na se me beto ni
nana o question na obisa no
fan personal
nana o question na obisa ye no
kasi GH me pacho ba
no e dey na obisa sa question
no pa ma meto
Obeto me pacho.
No, I'm asking the question because
me fast me
na eye say ema no eye mienu
Omunyina nkodi kuna.
Na obviously yen na ehu say odobro ni nkwa na di kuna. So mi busa say maami Akosua Serwaa medi kuna no.
Na odobro ni dey dey so odi kuna. E dey dey so odi kuna.
Oh,
enti
na wehu a adechi wan perform
me pacho
the processes in the year ni na wehu so odi kuna.
Me pacho odini wo chire kuna mu sesia no. He listed so many things.
Na me pacho what odobro ni fie wa na.
Exactly. How would you know?
How would you determine? Platform we me baso aya na ensema ha me kakra ni say fabrications ni hearsays ni doso dodo.
No one fabricate bibi. One fabricate bibi wa.
We should stick to the issues.
Also can be
Debi okoye adiside me pato ekuna no mosi ose ni emampen info na ma no mu
me pato what odobro ni fie ho woni mo ma odobro ni no moda
ja munya sanse
any on perform kuna
ono be raise point ni to show say Akosua say when di kurenti e dey na beto no ni e busa question
that's why I want to know
na ti ye busa question say ono no
nice now we say any say the kuna no wanya e dey na beto no see bibi entimi nyo na enti Akosua say when ni kuna no then aye no that is what he saying neso ka say bibi beto no
Sama na o say konche sama na nkonche sama na ko ni ntimatera da
oh konche because no oni Akosua say when ni
kra me nyi sama impuni no sama na me friend
okay Mr. Mwamenya me quick questions me na mo here discussions be
na me so ma submission and questions
me was submission but ni na ka ho
okay
question na mo name say na lady B was some say Sarah also say no say anti Brempoma yesamon no o court enya ne pen or the court name say na wonso gina so be nice no cre and I say enya ne cre
no so plaintiff no ebe picking the witness obebusa whether you want to obey witness amana say onye so you can either choose to accept or deny
ne pen or the court me boa okay so the case die and then
me pa cho ma me nchire we mu kakra in a legal perspective na judge no ewo privy to the video ana say exhibitor ama Brempoma refer your friend say abai one say nasil right. Brempoma goes there and adduce evidence to data. Sorry, Akosua odobro ni kwa adduce that evidence na. Say omofre Brempoma say Brempoma so ma the court has the right to subpoena her to come.
Yes, and also
Inti two ways probably.
No, but I don't know or your witness ma Akosua Serwaa. No, a witness ma Akosua Serwaa.
No, a willing so be obehonje na na mpese ye clarify. Now two things we say minimum we honest question. Foreign I'm say we never bow side. Family book no any certificate no. My question I want to say we say beginning no almost what the copy na buy right na copy no any that family book no mo ba no sa copy no mo de buy no family book no na ye original na follow up question ni say sa certificate no copy no first copy no mo de buy no the same one e wo bibia wo family book no me the same one as sa copy no mo de buy na
kwesi family book no kwa Germany o matwamo since 2009
so judge ne ka say o person
say omotwam but the time Akosua Serwaa claim say Lumba ware no na family book no na ye use in fact 2009 omotwam no de an electronic way bi aba so it is just in the system by am printing ma was a family book enunti no say time na o so ware no na say family book no ya de a ye use wa ubetimi ade use as evidence whether say court no be ji ana so onye no, it's no way, but you can abuse it as evidence.
There be God factor. Maybe question is say in the judgment, you know, first a certificate no they buy, no say a copy. And a judge at the last moment, you know, say what dear, me no say no evidence act na say mum fan fam, na mum fan fam bi. Mun ko fa original say ukoye copy of something original no be wo ho. Me boa. Enti or say mun ko fa original na sa copy na mo ye, sa photocopy na or whatever it is, you know. Mun ko fa the original ma. Me question is say sa family book no mo ko fa buy no. Eno no any sa copy first copy no.
That was not the question the judge asked them say me patro when the busa say or what the original lawyer Kisine car say they can produce the original and in fact hakra no me name crofo be kan ho asem say me nua no mo Germany be di madam say the original aban ni danum horum ni free. They don't take it out. We are. Your mom your brother friend is a certified true copy. But legally, that certified true copy can do everything that the original can do. And then you can answer Dr. Kisika so what the original. No, we that Germany who warrior. Ni awoni oba na science so eno eka edemo empia bontin
and they no and they baby most of the time, but especially in abroad, no, right? Matthias here, but the omo mistake or moye and say oman for expert witness am na me check
and then you be agree and when I produce one way
senya
man esu ya na
there be anya me ha
machine na ubusa no eno na yeso wan sama wo.
No. Tie.
Or the paper buy eno na say. Say paper na ye photocopy. Enti ko fa say paper na bra. And I hold on one farmer or the
dear tie.
Na ubusa no me wan san wo.
Asem na o kan de ne kwan so na o kan, right? Instead of Kofi can teacher can tank no. They should have brought in an expert or be explaining how a man
it's nice you can no
it's nice
Let me have the one hand
na ma for Germany
Lumba David can say
me patcho miss me a chairman
oh at the pato boys on to the business number
at the pamikasa yo na o say
me chairman the almost no one long bia
Udo be mo ache si ade ma God factor kan de o kan wi.
Ye wom ne say
God factor ka say we na so aka say
wa hu say uko Germany family Bosch na on friend say family book no omo krampo na yo omo mra no say it may have probative but often less weightier than the certificate itself. The patch on the American what you say?
Me too.
And this judge be catch or say me pay certificate instead of family book. The judge is taking cognizance of what the German law itself says.
If indeed you have the certificate, you just produce it.
Me patcho, like the thing said. There are so many nanny say if you have the certificate is abroad. Like say me wo US ya no mo say judge na what say agwamu wo Ghana no. Oti Ghana enti wono wonim sene US marriage certificate esitie. Enu nti no na Ghanaian constitution any the judiciary in Ghana ne say before some obeji sa document na atumo no. I just say fa Ghana embassy in America. Na ehone de Ghana for ye kromu Ghana for na ye adwuma wo ho ene ye kromu Ghana for ni nim America certificate se na esitie enti no mo so authenticate say ampa America certificate say netie na free America e de akọ Ghana den no Ghana judge no te ho no oni ayi bia say obetimi e deny American certificate na ye den aba no enti sa process ni na judge ne per se and they gave them a whole month
It is certificate. No, Omudi be court. That's what I want to know. Was it a family book or a certificate?
So dear T.
What happened? The right channel.
No, said
we are not
but they didn't take the right channel.
Exactly.
Can me say me support to Akosua say no me recall wrong.
Wrong. We are that part there. We understand though. Say
now the land commission stamp boss a certificate be na a land commission stamp on the CCC so no.
I know your Ghana minister, foreign minister. I want the command Ghana foreign minister of affairs. Meanwhile, I'm for the right channel.
See, me say, no prayer.
Right.
Lawyer Kusi should have taken an expert because Judge Nankasa Kotiwum, whereby when Timian go through the right process, to authenticate the document, you can bring in an expert, right? As a replacement. Na expert na ba be chichi mu say any etie, right? But na teacher kantanka na de no. It wasn't really needed because the purpose of the court was not your traditional. Was it the only surviving spouse, which is the legal wife? It's now the core. So teacher cantanta, it only came in because of a busia penny letter now or say Akosua Serwaa babi jawari. That is why
teacher cantanka was needed because kunano a tradition and customs.
But that was not the sole reason.
You can be a legal wife, but you can be denied to perform.
You are missing the gun.
What you say?
Teacher cantanka ba. Akosua Serwaa in same 9 ekodan court.
Yes.
Now, Odobroni for no so air responding and they did what you call the counter claim or counter suit. Right? Inti counter suit no mono Odobroni so control say Akosua Serwaa so nyoyere. Me pacho otie me. Na even the you can say customary way no okoye no ode nsa ko.
Ano ya busu apeli na yes ade nyo Odobroni na ye.
Me pacho court no omukoye no abusia pani amfa claim bia anko. I'm telling you the two claims.
You ready. Abusia pani.
Me pacho tie.
The tie dia okare no Odobroni na ka so de nsa.
I am telling you the claims are Odobroni.
If there's a written document to read it, I was saying yes.
Yes, and I'm telling you, said that Abusia Penny did not send any claim, a counter claim or whatever is there.
Read it from the beginning. Read it from the beginning. Read it from the beginning. Odobroni asemo no, asem now can. That's not a fact.
What father? Or see you read it.
And one making an assumption.
Yeah.
But let's go into the
I want you to read it.
Okay. So these are the pleadings that Akosua Serwaa declare. First, I'll say an order of this honorable court declaring the plaintiff is the only surviving spouse of the late Daddy Lumba, aka Charles Kojufos, aka Daddy Lumba. Second, an order of this court declaring that it is only the plaintiff who has the right to perform the widowhood rights of Charles Kojufos, aka Daddy Lumba. Number three.
Yeah.
A further order restraining the first defendant from ever dealings with the second defendant as a spouse of the deceased, which the first defendant is Abusia Penny.
Yeah,
Then number 4, an order restraining the second defendant from carrying herself as the surviving spouse of Charles Kojufos, aka Daddy Lumba.
Yeah.
Okay. Now Yanko ready Odobroni respond. Hold on.
No, I'm not talking about respond. Do I want the counter?
Yeah, but that will be the counterclaim though. And I make sure say it would not be her part to say Akosua say what in Samba because what in Samba ya one fan blow no odobroni. Busua phone or the bekwakomo. So busua phone pele beti nyaka say Akosua say wa enye
Mami Musa a question, but can it be a friend saying Akosua say wa part say Obeka say yen wari odobroni? E wo mrekwa so mo de o ma be wari no mo be wari Akosua say wa.
You ready for your cuckoo?
No, but you're mutu wonu hupu as well.
So we just have to.
I mean,
No. The reason why now Akosua say no, ono de the case ono na akodan court no ne asem say ono to ono no yen wari odobroni. Into a person odobroni kura benam say or your surviving spouse, right? On person busua penny ni ne kura bege dealings I know say. Naso Nekuma or whatever title on Pesali, you know. Yeah? 80 or no do omako. Or no do omako.
Yeah, no correct. You are right on point.
Yeah, 80 or more dear. Or do you know, or Babette said, maybe no me. Maybe see our me. Or no idea of person prove what I know. Many papa not 15 years, 17 years. May our me. Now, a bushing of water the baking at say, Akosua say one, whether you're Jao or you're Jao, it was traditional. What you say? And in the Kobasa, it is never the case the counterclaim. And then I get a bushing penny as no or Trimba, you know, contributed to go teacher Kantanka to come and explain how a jai our year was Santia Mamrim and a ma mpena warrior ni saade no so yedai ebemu eno man explain this partner say odobroni so ya ware no whether say na ne ma mi o say hwan wo ho ena Ghana akota mamem kwampo no you only need a witness. It is so be original so na witness to the marriage no it can be accepted. What you say? But lawyer Kusi should have done the right thing by getting an expert. And yes sir, at the end of the say, Foko a German embassy, Ghana embassy or Germany. And when you first stamp we see Ghana embassy cannot put a stamp on Germany document. What they will do is they will write a letter say they are satisfying this is authenticated. No more the almost stamp mum SC letter now more they are authenticated say
senior in fact you are drifting away because enye ni ayehwe ho asem na wo kanu.
No me can say
talk me say Odobroni a request for 3 reliefs. And I want you to read the reliefs Odobroni.
Okay, let me read it over here. I have it under paragraph 6. Okay. Now the counterclaims that Odobroni was requesting on 1. A declaration that the plaintiff was not married to Daddy Lumba as of 26 July 2025 when he died.
Simple as that.
Number 2, declaration that second defendant was validly married under customary law to Daddy Lumba as his lifetime, in his lifetime. Number 3, declaration that the second defendant is surviving spouse of Daddy Lumba.
Me pacho no in fact no kure nyame anim ne ene no madane me hu layman but as a lawyer no I know niema Odobroni seeking for, and that was what I was talking about. And I was very shocked so be back at them say no cancer na yebusu apeni. This is Odobroni's release.
Holding on for 30 seconds. Check here declaration number 1 no court may refuse declaration that the plaintiff was not married to Daddy Lumba as of 26 July 2025.
Oh yes, but he got the other 2.
Yes. Yeah, she got the other 2.
And then Akosua Serwaa lost all the 4.
Yeah.
The reason why she lost all the 4 is technically, customary marriage, or say ordinance, right? And ordinance, the only way to prove marriage, even marriage. Let me state this.
Now, Akosua we are now.
Just a second. Let me say this. I know this will cause a debate here, but later on, later on,
okay.
Later on, say at the time I will come in and explain that. And I'm saying this. Say, marriage certificate alone cannot prove ordinance marriage.
You ask me why, let me just state it clear. In some countries like Germany, let me go in this way. UK, say Ujai Warrior, they give you a divorce certificate. They take back your marriage certificate. But a country like Germany, when there is a divorce, they do not take the marriage certificate. You still have the marriage certificate.
Me Pacho, UK and this side, they don't take your marriage certificates. I live in the UK too. They don't take your marriage certificates.
They just cancel the certificate in where you did it, but
exactly.
Certificate so then you're valid.
Exactly.
Yeah, but
they don't take it back. Yeah, they don't take it back.
It's nice, Pacho. Mami Musa Musa is nice question. I'm a sit from one.
In Germany too, they cancel it. That is why
the question is
you're required to go for a new letter and get it certified. Me and I'm focused on Germany.
And then the more yes,
go factor wait to the also the
question is answer questions we are around.
All right.
It's nice. My question is court no, there wasn't any marriage certificate presented. Now as at now no. Also, Akosua Serwaa, when people were saying, say, no, Ghana, no, what me be proving with a press conference, the passport near ding na say, indeed, she was coming to Ghana whilst DL was alive. And do you believe, say, there's existing marriage certificate with Akosua Serwaa as at now?
Oh, okay. So this is not a matter of what I believe and what I don't believe. The document on who provided was an extract from the family book, right? And she said, if indeed, she was able to extract a document from the family book there, I can presume or certificate, but I'm yet to see in the appeal.
Okay,
but answer questions in a way I say answer.
It's nice.
It might be presumed.
Yeah. Also baby in free me wa me no. Most German say wawali egua omutwem but still certificate no, right?
Yeah, 100%.
Cool.
Book no dia wo.
Cool. And
because it shows that you were once married.
No. And I'm also baby a free, right? So you book in there at Dawanka Sofie.
No. So open extracts now, you go back to the registry, and then when your extracts now, then the registry will sign on it.
Okay.
Authenticated.
Okay, until you're not already know the bag or when you're free.
From the registry.
So why was this part with Ghana High Commission?
No. Hold on.
Authenticate.
Ghana Land
Commission.
Authenticated, yeah, exactly.
No.
It wasn't authenticated.
But it's nice. If you have a certificate, why would you then present a family book if you have the certificate?
No. Again, it's like we've all been saying, 2004 up to 2009. That's when they changed it.
Okay.
So what happened was around those time, the family book. Now, family book, is whereby they put in your marriage certificate, your child's birth certificate. What is here? They put them as a book, but those documents are in there. So now, man say, open document a free man. You go there and they will extract it. I say, you better computers near printer man near science.
Okay, so
you can't bring.
Extract say the same information at the original. So now they are authentic.
Only copy on one trunk only be wo.
So be and go the buy.
Definitely.
See, as me mo more is so.
No, I said very simple.
Very simple.
Extract.
A question is nice.
How can an office keep your document without giving you a copy for yourself?
certificate.
Marriage certificate. Yes, it's possible.
Oh yeah, 100%. Masa, listen. Me wa Canada. Me yira bibi say sia baby am ko be within 1 week. Me sabeka. Mama you nyai there. Like asem no yeah.
For the last 30 minutes, no.
Masa, maybe be
and because I've been here for 2.5 hours, but I'm me started from now, in fact, Ghana, Yawomra, Miensa, Enona, together, no, they form the legal framework of our marriage in Ghana. Na debia me ba ya me di kan kasim bi se emremu no ye free bibi said the original jurisdiction and a choosing jurisdiction say ye wo me wo Ghana ha na me ye Ghana ni me ma me ana by whatever acquisition of becoming a citizen me ye Ghana ni a that is my original jurisdiction. Say me ko Germany na me ko fa any of the 7 processes of becoming a German citizen, Minya citizen or Germany, it becomes my choosing jurisdiction. But in legal terms, original jurisdiction always supersedes the choosing jurisdiction. Now, in fact, Emramiensa and about the marriages atta, a marriages framework, legal framework for marriage in Ghana na ebohubai. Your mrebi a friend is a marriage ordinance. That is the cap 127. And your customary and then divorce registration law, PNDC law 112. And your matrimonial causes act at 367. That is the mefani say emrana ayiwe na nkasa. Na no krenie nia a woman say under the Matrimonial Causes Act, where we have the customary marriage, ni woman say, enye obana ya ware wono, ona wode nsa, ekomo beman, because ensano, o ya mfanshe wonsa, yebebisa ase yenye, ena, yejema o. Enti normally, obana busunyafo de nsane komo beman busunyafo. That is what is captured in the law. But ebi ohono ma, proximity ni ade ni ebi anti ase ebi wo ma omtimi ye ni bia problem am akire enti court asem bia ni yaje atum. But the ideal way ni say abusua no ene de nsa no ko hu obema na abusuafo no in on behalf of the oba no na obema na abusuafo no so je on behalf of the obema no said yomo ye ne pepepe enti eno na me person na me kawo ode ne ho de ne ho now ni ewom ne say medical akatro say Germany for mra na krompo aka say the family book no it is less weightier than the marriage certificate and the birth certificate. Ni enti o maka ne sa ne say you must have the birth certificates and the marriage certificate, those original documents answer your family book. Enti there is nowhere near your church or family book no be more weightier than the original name anankasa na yede ebayen. And then I must also say says ye kase bibi a probative value. Ni probative value na chira ne say in the issue require na say the case require no your evidence now with the abano any bearing on the case. So a document may be genuine, but it might not have a probative value. Ewa si unum. Si yekase memfa marriage certificate mra. Na se me kofa birth certificate ba. Can you say me birth certificate ni a fake? The birth certificate is not fake, but enya ni aye no. Enti the court will say any probative value. So as I say na say the court can only determine certificate say fake whether say obi a forge. And I say no na so ye no waye. It is said the lawyer kisis and the clerks and the secretary be de ba ku bi ba one say court no kan wazem ma me ni bufu kakra. Because I say nipa ni sa jurisdiction say so the trust ade no. Now let's go to filing of appeal. Abusuafo say ye kase o file appeal a e de be asem na ye ka. Say ye na yitimi etiase ne etiase ye. In fact, na mi nuane kasa no me ba mu one ma nya adwene na o se ne o ma me nkasa kura, but I was saying a fat and an emphatic thing. Because ye wa hanum platform we so na lady bi ba yo ka say lawyer kisinum akwa konya the original certificate no mo file appeal no mo de aka ho. E ma mi nuane nso ka say yampa ono nso ate. Emma mi jina aso chire mu say when we talk about filing of appeal, time na wo file no emra ma ho kwan say odi ene evidence bia be ka ho, because ade na wo de kɔ no ade a wo de kɔ ho no ma ne ye friend said the notice of appeal eno na wo de kɔ akoma court no, because court na wo de appeal ne kɔ no bibia wo hia bia no court no be nya every the lower court ne ho. So appeal ne said the court is going to check whether say kwanya judge ne fa so didi asem no di ni yi ana wa ni yi. Afen so the ratio decidendi which is emra a title so didi asem no odi ni sa na so wa ni sa na ye wi a ne ya ba the punitive measures ne nso asotwe ana esese ye de manipa na sa ne ye de ma na se yamfa ama na. That is what an appeal is. Enti in appeal no other judges and e kwotena se no ma hwe judge no holo wa court na adwuma se na adwuma wo ye no ofa amra kwan so no ye ya mi wie na me kan se enu nti obi a obeka se lawyer kisi no mo kwa file appeal bia no certificate e be ye bone of contention omantimi anfa anko no omanya de aka ho no enye no kora, because emra ne ma ho kwansa say you adduce any further evidence. Nemom ni ewom ne say after say ya frɛ asem no, then there are few circumstances where you can ask ube petition the court no on the grounds say bia one, errors in judgment or legal argument supporting your appeal. Enti na wo de aba. Nemo when it come to the recordings, how the records of the proceedings, evidence presented at the trial, witness testimonies and the judgment. Usually mo compile we num na no krampo na lower court no a public record, court of public record. Into a compile that the akwa high court high court and say appeal court na wo dey come. So enya wo kra na wo dey saade ne beko. Nemom, you as a judge, you must do what you call a written submission or legal argument. That one will be filed later to support your case before appellate courts like the Court of Appeal in Ghana. Enti time na sabi mo ya legal boxing the hodom na bia ubetimi afile bibi se o ade ba ku bia ehu hia ebetimi a overturn ade ni na manya na no so emra de se court no beji atuma court no behwe se wo sa ade na emra na judge ba ku ni di asem no unya akwanya ni na fa akwanu asem na so se wo pese wo de ba na wantimi ana. So the court will look at the effort you have made or you made during the first trial no to provide all those things antimi ama. Se omuhwem na se sa effort no And I said the reason why I went to me and providing and your fault, your circumstances be beyond your control. In the wisdom of the court, they may accept. Well, you know. And yes, Anna, a highly rare for anybody say, ubeti mi enya ho kwan say, o ko appeal. Mi wie na mesan kan say, appeal na wo ko no kwa ye niema miensa enesi wo. It is either the decision of the lower court is upheld. Netre say, senior lower court no say kai ene ya Dr. Dorinda nkombeka say ni odi na asem no wadi ni pepepe nti ya yesa uni case. Onti ase ana odi free ona ade ko wanim. Ana say the decision of the lower court will be what? Overturned. Netre say oh ye hwe mremunum ne legal processes ni ade ne judge no wan famra kwanso no didi asem no enti ne sani onu di ne ya changing the amount. And then the third one, which is very important, is that you go to an appeals court. Who are the appellant, you know? You will not win, but you will not lose. And then the respondent will also not win, but will not lose. Ni ewomne say, ebi ohonoma mutimi kokko appeals court na afedie. Yemfa ni say in a criminal matter. Ya chi obi yesu akokum obi nti ye de na ya sentence no ya bua ni kumfo afi wanyankrofo amoma be ya appeal ama no mhwe mu na no so no kum ni de wakuno but niema ba kumienu ne miensa binti ana yesen ka judge ne hwe se de be ya anka all man the optimum friends and the extreme you can say full punitive we no enu nti no ebia ya reduce ya change way from kumfo no e de ababy a 10 or 20 years imprisonment eba ne sa wa wo de ade ne baaye no when we ni case no but won so a well lose because at least nyankopon aboa mu when you reduce punitive actions enti those were the niema na me ka ho asem now German marriage certificate say ohwa German marriage certificate na baabi a omukọ honum koye we no ekoje certificate na nkasa no enye sebe omonsan yo oba ne oba ma ni nyina san but de mo ma san no ekafie ho it never goes out na mo wi a na omama mo certified true copy e kire se mo mienu ma ware emrane nso said that certified true copy can do anything that the original can do and can suffice in the law court. And in fact, edu baby anamadwen ayeme ntanta say. Yes, come in. Any
I'm sorry. This guy like some tongue, you know. We have to go to tomorrow college, you know.
You go where?
Tomorrow we have to go to college earlier.
So you will not go for?
Huh? No. There is some music or something. Tongue.
Oh, sure. Okay.
You can come.
All right.
To settle.
All right, sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Abushanfo, sorry. In fact, my bami, one of my placement centers, babe, supervision, eja. Obey any day. But near na me Kenya ne say, sana ade ne tie enti nia omde be ma no esese timi ye bibia e pa cho wati ase esese timi ye bibia enti ebi o ha na madwen me ntanta se ene e de document na lawyer kisinum so mo wa omde ba ya anya ntum no. Now I'm conjecturing there could be that ebetimi aya mpase Akosua Serwaa ni lumba omo ware ebetimi abasa oma ware ba ni certificate o ebetimi kura nso abasa ibi a omo ware along the line ibi a munim se ne abrochi ye niema due to niema bi nti omutimi jai ebetimi nso abasa genuinely oma ware bibia wo ho na emom no due process na omo ntimi amfamu na ekoba ni sa.
Tell him to stop. I'm going to tomorrow to college. I'm sleeping. Tell him no.
Okay. I said okay.
So tell him no, I'm sleeping.
No, that is not how we do the things. You don't force me. I have to use tact to let him understand, okay? All right. Charlie, I was going for money. We na me share me call ananza.
Me am it too. Na, but today baby back kwa the entire thing say aje shasem no kind na no correct. O share a year rule 26 of the
nice. Yenye ni say so far wakasa. Enti mama yebetimi ma de make an say.
Me too.
Tenka wakasa ni yebetimi ache ya adwe wole ya kana.
But on say ma waka nyina no correct. Like the bia waka bia no correct. The bia waka bia no correct.
Okay.
But I wanted to say something about what he said earlier concerning appeal.
And also the numbers when person me reading man or no. I think that you can actually
reading it. Read just say. Yes, Timmy. Kakra me can say. Issue na ye can. Obia ni no kre. Obia wutimi ready and I say o we share obia ni mu say. There is no way say ye maame no obetimi arraign case ne e wo court.
Any the kind of boy.
I just say or the original marriage certificate no eba. And went to me improve. Set me can see it. Was it me say on to me in case or ye wo breko a on to me improve.
Okay.
Yeah. Because obi ka say one marriage certificate a wo be ka say yes me wo but say we prove. And ne to so mienu won't be in kasa wo ka emra what is law
abusuafo we de me sremu mo mfenche me why na ye nuanu masala mfu bi amaji omtrese wo mo ntehwe
do you baba ka baba be wasem na
just 1 minute
okay to aso
enti ni America nyina ne say wo hwe statistics nso a about 20 an average of 22 to 27% of all appeal cases no omtimi wini, that is omtimi overturn. Senkaya 1% kura no ombetimi overturn, it means there is the probability that appeal case be out to be could be overturned. But if I can see na send a lower court ne kan, it's always been upheld. Medical ya can say omoko na sa ampa certificate enu na ye the bone of contention is omo na omutimi ye omo legal argument ni ye na say ye mo kwanse oki ene tro adusu petition na fabra na ye hwe na say odi akono kura na nye say omaji atum odi ko wi a the afi no mobile says say ye ma won tender na say won tender so mutimi tender na say correct we said your more Canada and you said ye fun chira ne omen it means ne na ye pese ye chira ne say ya ware me ordinance say ya mpase ya ware me ordinance there and ye other marriages bia no no and void
okay
na busua me ma no si no ade ba ko a me me nwanwa a me ntiase is the motive of ye maame Akosua Serwaa ni entia ode saade ne ko ni entia me kan sa ne se wo hwe distribution of property act na there is a presumption of ni ombe kan is a joint acquisition enti a free 1991 a court wa me ate ase se ye ware Akosua Serwaa customary ebesi 2010 a ye ware odobro ni customary sa 19 years no ejapade alumba ye bia no eye one ne yere Akosua Serwaa dia odobro ni nka ho na emom no every 2010 edi besi se lumba wu ye no se court wanya ka so mu nyina ye yere ne dia every ho ba ni nyina so no eye one ne yere no mienu no mo dia but the law no koso e ka se bi very emphatic. Or say when it comes to children, all children are the same under the distribution of property act, even illegitimate ones. Name say ye check ade ne so a Adia ba Akosua e bia ma medwene ho say nti na Akosua say one score say ye cha. Even though from 1991 to 2010 odobro ni nya bi no. Ne money they are the same ombenya bi. Once unim say under the ordinance na ade che ne so mo cha. Ya ne nkola ne share no ewum and then say nkola ni susu it is holding trust e wo mo maame ne ejina mu ma on. And na afi nso omo che ne ma ne so a nkola na wo musua no. Eya na omo de no a percentage ne so sen omo de omo anyinyi no especially nkola ni susu a omo school ni ade a. There is a specific percentage it cater for omo education ni ade and na there is a property bi ayache. Afi nso the last year me yen say who say ye maame Akosua Serwaa letter otro no 2018 or so. Alimonia na ope no enema o indicate say lumba mfe mane ne ade obobo nema bibre but East Legon edane de wa mo anka ho. And I will applaud the lawyers some way ade pa because they know very well say sena yaware Akosua Serwaa odobru no yanware no. Sa hono ena lumba ne odobru ni ne nkola na wo de emra ne so mo yewe no wo te. And there was no way a court to be just ifie no. Ede ama ono. And the lawyers did very well, but me the masema mekani nyina ne say ye betimi academic exercise because asem normal can we can critique it.
Normal file any dey e kan ho na.
Me ba cho say.
Me say ele normal file any dey say kan ho.
Oh, say
list of properties no.
Me pa cho a list of properties now almost filing no ye can say during this new case in there. Obobo lumba properties are wonimu nyina. But say ba ko ne there na Akosua Serwaa no was seeking alimony.
Yeah, 2018 there no.
O say lumba ko waru
the judgment no they deny all the natural you. That's the another thing.
Oh me ba cho ordinary enye because o na ama lawyers true obeti ne lawyers no true no on behalf of her. Yeah, inti I think say that is how it is. Inti ne de ne America nyina ne say say ye betimi a anka yen twen na yen tamu chuku of appeal no e de beba because our case we ye nyina ye ni de akiri test for rest. Ye mu binu mu a ye wo that profession ye de asua ne ma bebre ama no kure nyame anim ni aboa yen na de ba ko ye me nwanwa me maame Brempoma lawyers during the time omo ye say omo ko seek for injunction. Because lawyer bia nim say wo pese wo di injunction koto a running program so a ye grant ma akurompa there is a condition and the condition is the cost no the court ni ntimi hwehwe mu nya cost no so what the court does is say or the unestimated cost to so na dey abeto ho. And I was very much surprised say a year be ya ebeka 2 days na ye now we pay injunction na in fact one who say there will be you can't say financial commitment bi ni ade but ni nyina mu no ye disua de in fact nipa ni bi wa ha say ya omo ye layman but omo ba no omo be kire nzenzimu a omo sem na omo kire ni ya na even e bro a lawyer for pride
God factor.
God factor. But your view on the pending injunction also can.
Maybe some one before he
the pending one for celebration of life, Nana. Oh, say me sir, the pending one for celebration of life. No, me who is there. Unnecessary nkrofo pentokwa entokwa hunu me that is my legal perspective that's what I would say entokwa hunu because me ameti hani me metimi a celebrate lumba life. Yes, celebration of life metimi aye. I cannot go and do funeral, I cannot go and do burial by celebration because he is my legend. Na some celebrating what TikTok da na emo na ebi enye kese na se makodu Ghana na ejami we are refer village one mercy makoji permission wo police for na ma block sa road we anyway na me ma cover num to fo ya ba say ye celebrity lumba who can come and put an injunction on it. The power struggle, I mean, I see it as very, very necessary.
You are very, very intelligent. But remember. Whenever you come on nice farm,
No. What
but your cafe be a messy, assembly or can be a no credit. It is not about your no. Yes, me too.
Cool. To say, see, I walk as a injunction now, bring Mama here now, Yajimano. The Bia Muslim Johnson judge in any year. The Bia, the Momoka.
Mimi, I'm a patch of her near woman say, Emperor Theodosius, a can't be. One say court to corner. I had to say competition, as I can see. In every competition, I can't see be any brewum. Now, the woman say, the winners must win in humbleness, and the losers must lose in graciousness. It takes only an ungracious loser, and at the system, and anka pese cancer mount and kamawa. Now, bastardizing, and it takes a very arrogant and an unintelligent winner. And our court now could win as a man who down Yamia see we are not feeling. I say, what is stretchy? Yes, and that Sebi, a year at the papa. In fact, one will be our court and I can ask a man now say, court and I need a nipasu as I say, you must understand it, say, a Sani Manidi, a bebabat, a bar, Mesremo. Mo odobro ni afa no eya mo fa mo shoes ensho mo dim no say akansi ulu so a
obi we are also
listen odobro ni ko no lusu ya on maka so lusu ba obi say ARG abegina say
so you don't think say they have
understand in this
1% chance of winning?
Me pacho mintimi nyina hanka sa because every case is unique. And afi esam kodu court so a. Omo mo be kan wasem na ma ono. Don say dem ya me kan say so court does not necessarily brings out the truth. So what you say? But any de bano court no a court of evidence. So what you say? A court of evidence because the entire court of evidence they say yes it is better for 1,000 criminals to go scot-free than one innocent person chastised. 18 years old court I see you must prove beyond all reasonable doubt. Or say our ordinance. Oniema or the abanu inconsistency.
And so any
it means a me quarter, Jeja, me kasa empire warrior ordinance. Na obi awaria watnema wa wo majami insia yenko kantia ni se onye yere ni yento ne ntwene court enye ne sa
no bro want to improve it
odobro ni nso o say your friends Akosua say wa nso onye yere intime court no wantimi amfa evidential proof bi ama obi ni obi atna from 1991 abedu this time about 24 years no me imagine how wasema can say onye yere without any evidence na me can chere ni so onye yere no court will not do that enti me de adesrede na me de sire nyina moma yemfe nsua na yemfiri ensem ya abam mimi say o ware 20 kura o sika na betinya ware 20 kura mfa me ho but me de me ye one woman man me be a make fan chen de but me ka fan chen I will make sure say me can yi
normal
I mean you say at the panel me nya adwen say me see meeting ya kan bia fan chen but no do obo
maybe me da bia dia me person me hu an say
be kasa me zero
I dia person me hu an say ordinance our year no right
and ba unim say mo ha say nko na me bapa na me wife abetita ase ono so abeta ase
wife wa
me bapa no abeka say o hwe say make say me twa fa nchen ya but ade no ya me twitwa bia fa nchen ya de ndimi nka say me ntwa
go factor di me no wife de na
oba ya no oyusu ya baby ana say me ama de we ya so ba ko san we no so your god factor sa.
Okay, God factor. God factor, more question.
I have a question for God factor.
I think say yeah, baby, me tie who know me.
Yeah, obvious. You about to take off, but no a bit TV. I be receive ya.
God factor, more question.
Me per confession, plenty. I know because me ye be an.
Oh yeah,
confession.
And
God factor, I have a question for you.
Confession,
okay. Questions.
Me question about
question.
Me question on the person. And then they say, "We just have me busam obiate. Obiye ordinance aware, right? I don't know actually say.
Me pacha ordinance aware actually say. Say mummy no na ma aware bia enye ansana be ordinance aware na actually say on ware ordinance da.
Okay.
And as a ware ordinance kura wagu. In the moment I beg ordinance aware atum no let say mummy no na mo aware bia sa aware becomes automatically null and void.
Okay, good.
The first thing.
Okay, good.
And the second thing is that unless you seek for divorce,